Hey, Kylie, you early.
Hey Tyler,
Question.
where exactly in your class is the kids? Cause some a parent coming up. So I don't want to
The, they're all Christmas present wrapped, so you just pick any one that's already
I'm
wrapped.
just saying they where they sitting at? They sitting like near your desk or the
They're
back of the
sitting
room?
on the desk. They're sitting on the desk and on top of
Okay,
desk.
okay,
Yeah.
cool. Uh,
Yeah. Is there any left? Is that what you're saying?
oh no, I was just wondering so that when she get here, I ain't gotta be trying to look for it. You know what I mean?
No, they're all wrapped identically. I think the ones that are not wrapped are ones I still got an inventory for staff and other issues. So yeah,
All
there should
right,
still be some that are wrapped up for you waiting.
all right, and you what the list so that we know who got one.
You just write down the names and text me, Rush. I'm putting it into a spreadsheet.
Uh,
Okay, just let me know who got one. They all got the same serial number too. So
I'm about to text you now because I know she already coming up. She confirmed that she on her way now. So,
okay, I'm fine with that. And I can add it to my inventory list I'm doing. That's why my lesson plan is all behind. Busy, busy, busy. Miss Childs, were you able to get your kid set up all the way? Ooh, oh, this is you,
Yes,
Rush.
Mr. Tyler.
You said what?
I said yes, Mr. Tyler.
Okay. I want you to try to log in with it onto Google Meet so we can see if it works.
You said Google Meets.
Yeah, the same room. Think you can get in here with your kid set up? So I want to see if you can share screen.
See, I'm using my hotspot, so I don't know if it'll work.
Ooh, okay. You don't have internet there? Is that what the thing is?
Yeah, because I'm in my
Okay.
grandma's
So
house.
don't, no, so just set it up, and I'm gonna go through some things with you guys on the kit. Today's pretty much a quick day. It's asynchronous for physics and computer science. But there's some links I do want to share with you. I don't know if you went through them. You sound like you read the book pretty well, so this might be
Yeah.
just the same stuff for you. But there are projects I want you to start working on. Okay. Hello, Courtney. All right. Let's see here. Let's do attendance. No, who else? Okay. Miss Childs and Courtney. All right. Okay. All right. Let me get this going for you guys. We got about a minute before we do our, well, give them 5 more minutes to get in the room. We're gonna just it's asynchronous day, so just need you guys to stay for about maybe 20 minutes of class, And I just want to make sure you have the information you need to go through your checklist for your kit. Make sure it works, because pretty soon we're going to be using that sense hat to do experiments. All right. If you're not sure how to set up that, I'm going to show you where to go to begin setting it up. It does a lot more than light up, everybody. So we got to get used to using it. 5 more minutes. And then everyone else is going to be marked late. So use this time to set up your kit. There's be giving you information on the screen that you could use. And it's probably better um, to use the steps I'm giving you than to read the book, because some people are like, well, it didn't explain that. Well, it's written like an engineering book, so in most cases, it probably is not going to say that. It's kind of expecting you to figure it out. But I think these steps that I found online, thanks with Mr. Overdyke and the Raspberry Pi Foundation, might be a little easier on you. So let's take a couple of minutes, get your kit set up. Make sure you're careful with these kits, because some students already broke them. What I'm talking about is the HDMI screen. It has a delicate micro port. If you're, jamming it in there or wiggling it, you could crack that port, and then you're done for. So try to, wherever you have your kits established, have it just left established, so you can always come back to it and do any type of projects and be doing with you guys. If you try to move it around too much, you'll have problems. Welcome to class, Gabriel. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I got everybody's attendance. I see Gabriel, Courtney, and Miss Childs. We got about 2 more minutes before we get started. Again, everybody might want to make sure their kit is set up. You're using the steps you were given. I'm gonna put in the chat in a moment another step-by-step guide for you. Another thing to be mindful of. Where is it at? It is that sense hat connection, and I'm talking about this here. A lot of students are like, what do I do with these parts? I'm going to send you this link too, which is what I got straight from Google on Saturday. In case you missed this, little bit that will help you. If you do this part wrong, you probably need to see me, because you broke your kit already. These pins, everything are delicate. So delicately take them apart every day, or otherwise, like I said, leave it connected on a flat surface, so you don't have to worry about your kit breaking. It can get easily broken. Okay, so I think we're gonna jump into our norms, because I don't want to hold you guys. This is asynchronous day, and I want you to use this time to at least get your sense hat working. All right, and you have to do that using Scratch 3. Go ahead, Courtney. You got a question? No? Okay. So starting the first list was, it is Courtney. That's why Courtney probably turned it on. Courtney, can you just do the first 5, and then I'm gonna have someone else do the rest? Why can't I hear you, Courtney? Uh-oh. Courtney, something's wrong with your microphone. Can you hear me? Oh, no. Okay. Courtney, are you a laptop or are you on a Raspberry? Which one are you on? Okay, I can't even hear him. All right, I know you tried, Courtney. Uh, oh, so it must be. Yeah, all right. So you got some more. That's why we're gonna go through this setup guide, Courtney. Don't get frustrated. This is the whole purpose. I'm trying to get a lot of credit and your pass grades up. So just keep working with it. Figure it out, Courtney. Um, but I like that he made it into
Mr.
the
Tyler.
room. Yes, Miss Childs.
So when he using a Raspberry, he gonna need some headphones for him to communicate with you. So
That's only if you don't have it connected to an HDMI TV.
Cause
All
that's what
right.
I was using
Yeah.
when I
So
was
no, I
in
only
university.
need you to log in with it to the point where Courtney is. Right. You don't necessarily need to hear me, uh, but this is the initial setup to make sure you guys are ready to take it to the next level. Because I'm gonna be honest with you, what happens? Let me turn my screen on. I'm getting ahead of myself. But Miss Childs, can you see the 5 academic norms? We got to say that. And welcome to class, Gray.
Yes, I can. You want me to say them?
Wait. I'm gonna turn this timer off because it's a little irritating in it. All right, go right ahead.
We respect the opinions of others. We respect the culture of the classroom. We are attentive and participants. We have high expectations for ourselves, our peers, and our teachers.
Very good.
We are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary events.
Endeavors, and that's what we're doing right now, right? We're learning to rebuild a computer, everybody. And physicists, more especially, should do that because I think they were the inventors of computers, right? Then engineers learned how to make them better. That's what engineers are for. And of course, computer scientists made them even better by programming them to robots. So go figure. However, I think everybody can see my screen. If you can't see my screen, you want to pin my screen real quick. I'm trying to show you in the background. You're in the most ideal setting if you can. So if you see what I'm doing on my screen, you have, and I'm not talking about the presented screen. I'm talking about
I
my,
was just
my
gonna say
actual
it, Mr.
camera.
Caller.
Yeah, no, you got a pin. You see me waving at you or no?
Yeah,
Okay. So do you see this behind me?
yeah.
Okay. So I have on a coffee table everything set up. So I can always come over here and do experiments. And this is what I'm be doing. I'm be giving you guys projects. So on this table, I have the Raspberry Pi. I have the Sense Hat connected, mouse, and I'm not moving that because if you keep taking it apart, you could break it. All right. You got to make this kit last for a long time. It's a very expensive computer, but they gave it to you guys for cheap almost. Connected to a monitor like I have, if it's easier on you. I know the small little HD monitor is touchscreen and everything, and that's cool. But that's if you don't have a TV in the house. If you have a HDMI TV, use the white cable in the kit to connect it to that, and it should be easier on you. The other thing I want to talk about is the steps. Now, I got all this going, and you can't find the steps on the Raspberry, but I'm going to give you the steps. So let me come over here and put it in the chat. I want you to go to this site, and I'll walk you through how to configure step by step your kit. So here you go. Everybody needs to save or bookmark that first link. You're going to need it for the rest of the quarter. Okay, so what do I mean by the Sense Hat working? Well, there's a troubleshooting guide, and I'm gonna put the link in there. But before you go to the troubleshooting guide, make sure you went through all of these procedures, right? And it's probably what Miss Child's already read in the book, but there's more. There's projects. There's a troubleshooting guide, and the one thing we need the most when we click on troubleshooting, and I'll put that in the chat too for you guys to read about in case you want to fix some things that you can't get working. So what was I talking about? The Sense Hat. You're gonna come down here to my add-on, which is what the Sense Hat is not working. Have I connected it correctly? You click on that, and then you ask for the Sense Hat. Now they have the display, the case. I'm gonna send you just this link. Okay, so if everybody has all three links and they can show me that their kit's working, like Courtney's, then you're free to go. But remember, your kit needs to be trying to at least work to the same speed as Courtney because we're about to move into the Sense Hat. And you got to at least have, your software loaded, downloaded, connected to
I
the
got
internet.
all that, but I'm just working off hotspot, so I don't know.
So what about the
Um,
Sense Hat? Did you get that going?
I didn't get it connected yet.
Okay. So did you get the setup to do it? Like, I don't want y'all to break no pins or nothing. Did you get this link here on my screen? Can you see that?
Yeah, I got all three of the links you put in there.
Okay. So I'm just saying, did I give y'all this link? I think I did.
Yeah,
I
all
don't
three
think I
of
gave you
them.
this link.
You want us to use all three?
Well, I want you to start with the first one, which is setup, right?
Because I just saved those in my Google Docs, so if I do still need help, I could just go to them.
Right. And at last, what I put in there is for the Sense Hat that I'm saying we're going to be using. You got to try to have that working. You
Okay.
can use Scratch 3. There's in your book, Kylie, because you're real good at it. They talk about what you can do with Scratch 3, but you can't even do it until you actually update the Sense Hat. and that's that troubleshooting guide I just showed you shows you how to do it step by step. Okay.
Mhm.
All right. So does everybody have those links?
Yes.
Okay. I know you do, Kyle.
Yes.
Okay, that's Gabriel. Okay. Gray, do you have those links? 'Cause I'm be calling parents to see how their students are doing and informing parents this is how they're going to do their assignments from here on out. Gray, there. I think he stepped away. All right. So, Courtney, you are free to go. Use this time to catch up on work or get your kit up to speed. But use all those links, Courtney. Don't leave and you don't have those links so you can navigate. So, you got the mic almost working because I can every time you turn it on, I can hear something, but I can't hear you. It's like air or something. Yeah, you have no. He's getting closer and closer. I can. He's trying. But yeah, today's asynchronous. That's all I have for you guys. Get that kit working because this is going to help you out with a lot of scores when we do assignments together. One moment, please. It's like I don't understand. Where do you think I got? I don't have a car. To my or extended warranty? No, no, I don't even own a car no more. Mr. Gray, are you there? All right, I'm gonna have to follow up with him. I'm putting this on my notes for the Raspberry Pi. Gotta make a notes section for students. Gabriel, do you understand what to do?
Yes.
Okay. Go through all your links and make sure everything works if you can. Take your time, everybody. Don't be rough with the kit. You'll break it. Then you be telling me, Tyler, I need another one. I gotta talk to your parents. Make sure you watch them do this slowly. Who's that? Aaliyah, welcome to class. Ms. Mims, do you have your computer?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna put some links in the chat. I want you to use all those links to make sure you set it up. Did you find the part that's called Raspberry Pi in the kit? I'm sorry, it's not Pi, but SenseHat. So it looks
Really?
like this. You said what?
I gotta look at my box. I'm not at a box right now or in my room.
Okay.
I'm in the
Well,
bathroom.
we were going to be doing a lot of recovery assignments with that kit, so you got to hurry up and knock that out because it takes some time to download stuff and set it up. There's not nothing you can speed through, you know. So that's the first link, I think, to how to put the SenseHat together. But before you get to the SenseHat, you got to set up your Raspberry Pi with everything, installs, a whole nine. So I'm gonna grab this link and put it here for you. And this is
Yeah,
just to
the
set it up.
government takes like 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours.
I know, Kylie, but it's taking. Everybody moves different, right? You're showing off now. But if you, I think I think the biggest thing for you is if you can get that Scratch 3 working for me, that would help out big time. But you can't do it until you get the hint sense hat going, though. Let's see here. Okay, so Mr. Gray, this is the last time. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to remove you and have someone follow up with you. Are you there? All right. They told me to give them at least 30 seconds. I've done what I could. Let's see here. All right. So I'll follow up with him on Borders in a moment. Okay, so I put the second link in there, I think, for Aaliyah. And then the troubleshooting guide is under add-ons. So I'm gonna grab this and you'll see things in there that you could use in the troubleshooting guide to get your camera, to get it's a lot of things you can try to get right in there, right? So grab those links. And like I said, it's an asynchronous day. You guys are free to leave if you have no questions. But don't use this time to slack off. Use this time to get your kits fully updated and that sense head that you see on my screen here working. And I'll know if it's working because if we program in Scratch 3, you should be able to manipulate the colors and do all sorts of other experiments with it. But take some time and go through those links. Make sure every step is done, okay? Is everybody clear on what to do or no? Okay, I guess Gabriel's clear. What about you, Aaliyah?
I'm gonna need help with that kit to
Well,
build it.
did you go through your links? You got to go step by step.
All right, hold on.
So the first thing is, did you start with the SenseHat connection, the PDF?
No, cause I couldn't turn on the little tablet part, and I guess I got
That's
to charge it first, don't
you.
I?
You got to right. You got to follow the directions, Aaliyah. Y'all trying to just throw some stuff together. It ain't gonna work that way.
That's
You
what I
got to
was thinking at
HTML.
first when I got the box. I was putting it together, and I'm like, why is
No,
that
you
when
got
I
to read. Oh, y'all killing me. You got to
put
read. Got to slow down and read. Now I gave you all the setup steps, so go through this, Aaliyah. Did you get the video, the 4 minute video?
what video?
Oh my God, you kidding me, right? There was a 4 minute video that we watched on this in I think Townhouse GGI.
No, I didn't.
You you never watched it? Okay, that's great. That's why you need help because you gotta slow down and do it. Um, let's see if I can find that link for you. But more especially, you got to do some things to set it up too. So you need. I hope you're copying down those links I gave you in the chat.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, because they're gonna help you. The first one you want to look at, even before you get to that Raspberry Pi, is this setting up. Well, yeah, this part right here. You want to start introduction and go down slowly. Okay, Aaliyah. What was I saying? Let me get this video if I can. Shoot. Where I go to history. No, I wanted my history. Google was really having a bad day. Okay. Let me see here. Let me go to my emails. Okay. It's not the one I wanted. Bingo, I found it. And it's also your email, Leah, the quick 4 minute video. I know I sent y'all the email. Yeah, okay. I didn't want you to play though. Stop, 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 stop. I've seen that video so many times, it's not funny. Okay, so that is the video you should have watched on how to set it up. Now, if you force anything or you do it too fast, you might crack something. So take your time, do what he says to set it up. And then once you set it up, I mean, plugging up everything the way he says, you look at that first link I gave you where it says setting or using your Raspberry Pi. You go step by step through it. Okay. She there? Aaliyah, are you there? What happened to her?
Yeah, I heard you.
Oh, okay. All right. So if you have nothing else, you got all those links, you're free to go. It's asynchronous day. Use this time to get that done.
All right.
All right. Now it's not asynchronous in robotics, so you have a little more time to ask questions. Come to class with questions than the other students are.
Okay.
All right. See you later on. Hello, Miss Brewer.
Hi, am I late?
Yeah, but not as late as you was last time. so,
Um,
so today,
because
go ahead. What's wrong?
my so like you said, I don't know if I sent you the screenshot, but my class times are all wrong.
Well,
So
okay.
like right now it says my physics starts at 11:10, and I just now got the notification to actually come to class. So
Um,
that's why I'm saying I don't know. Mr. Ortiz said it might be the time zone is wrong, but I don't know how to change
yeah,
that.
your time zone is off because so where are you at exactly?
I'm in the city. I'm near like King Drive types like
Oh, so
Indiana.
you in the city? You just got to fix your computer or what you're using.
I'm using my phone.
Oh, that's the problem. You got? Did you get a kit from the school?
Yeah, but I have to go pick up the new tablet. I
Right.
haven't I haven't been in that area because I'm like near 39th like Persian,
Okay. Okay. Well,
and that's like all the way on the other side of town.
okay. Well,
So I just been trying to work with the phone, but it's like
yeah.
inconsistent for me.
Yeah, it's giving you trouble. I'm trying to tell you. So try to make time. This is what we're doing today. It's called asynchronous day, right? And that's every Tuesday for physics and computer science students. So basically,
Okay.
today, you had a question?
No, no.
Oh, no. So basically, today, you're free to leave and get caught up. But what I would advise you to do is to try to make some time to come up to that school before we're going on winter break this Friday.
Okay, so I'll be there. Then I'll be there before.
Yeah,
No,
because you'll be able
I'm
to get
staying.
your kit and your laptop or your tablet and do some work over the winter break, and get caught up.
Yes. And it's will it be easier on there because for some reason when I try to go on Ezzy on my phone and go complete the old assignments, sometimes they don't pop up.
It
Like I
is
try to click
easier.
it, but
That's because the phone is not built to do everything a computer can. So yeah, it'll be better once you get on a real computer and not your phone. That's the best
okay.
advice I can give you. But you are free to go. I'll mark you present. This is usually a time where people come and get help on problems. But I think you just need to work on trying to get your time zone thing fixed so you can come to class. The class is 10:10 to 11:10. So even if you don't know anything else, even if your phone is acting up, you got to be in at 10:10. Okay, for physics.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Well, see you around.
All right.
Mark her present. See, that was Brewer. She's starting to come to class. That's good. Okay. I think I got everybody marked. That's somebody else I got to check on. I haven't seen Eli in a minute. Write that down. That's my notes at. I got to get a different folder for all these different notes I got on my desk. Should have got some folders from the school while I was up there. Goodness gracious, mate. Wasn't thinking about it. Eli Curtis. All right. Rush, I'm about to shut the room down and get ready for next period. You there?
Yeah, I just seen the text you sent. That was
Ye-
Jalen Stuckey's mom.
Right. No, I was asking you, was that your correct number? But I looked
Wait,
at it
what
wrong.
was what? Who can? Oh, you was asking me if that was my number.
Right.
Oh no, no, I got a 267 number.
No, no, it is. So that is your number, Rush. That's what I'm saying. I was calling us. I got it. I got it. I sent the right number. It is a 267 number, right? That's all
Hmm.
I was saying. Okay. I wasn't sure because she's like, where is he at? I'm like,